Nestled in the serene enclave of Lyons Bend, this delightful residence epitomizes tranquility and modern living. Situated on a private cul-de-sac, this approximately 0.92-acre property offers a peaceful retreat. Upon entering, the inviting open floor plan welcomes you with hardwood floors and an airy ambience. The expansive kitchen, adorned with luxurious countertops and a convenient island, boasts stainless steel appliances and a gas stove with a sleek vent hood. Notably, there's no carpet throughout the home, enhancing both aesthetics and ease of maintenance. The primary bedroom with ensuite bath provides comfort and relaxation. 2 additional bedrooms share a beautifully renovated full bath, ensuring both style and convenience. Descending to the lower level reveals an expansive laundry room and a versatile recreation area, featuring a cozy wood-burning fireplace and yet another full bath. The added bonus room offers endless possibilities, whether as a dedicated workout space, home office, or creative sanctuary. Outside, the fenced-in yard offers a secluded oasis, perfect for enjoying leisurely mornings with a cup of coffee and soaking in the serene surroundings. Buyer to verify square footage and measurements.